Are you guys like me and your fridge door on your RV broke off? Well, yeah, it sucks. It happened to us. I don't know if our kids were hanging on or whatever, but door got completely ripped off. So I'm gonna change it out. Here's how we did it. I found it all on Amazon. Links in the description below. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna prep the door in here. You don't have to take the whole bracket off. All you gotta do is this stud up here at the top just has a couple threads on it. You'll need a big flathead to break it loose. Now that that's out, this is all ready to go. We just gotta prep the door. Okay, I've got my brand new door right behind me there on the ground. I got the old door sitting right here, so we've gotta take the face of it off. We gotta take the locking mechanism off, and then they make a retrofit kit that is supposed to make the hinges a little bit stronger. They're really simple to do. They're on Amazon. They'll strengthen your door. If you haven't done them, I do recommend doing them, maybe just to kind of save your door from breaking. But they're real simple. I'm gonna show you on the old door what they do. So here's the upper hinge, here's the bracket. All they do is they slide on, go just like that. Real simple to do. Okay, on the side of your door, right here, this piece just kind of comes out. It's just pressure fitted in, just slides out. And then what I'm gonna do is this will just slide completely out, just like that. All right, we got the face of the door back on, clipped on the little brackets, the little retrofit to make it stronger. The handle, the locking mechanism, it just has 2 screws on it. 2 Phillips screws, that pops off, pops back on. Now, I'm gonna get inside the RV and get it back. The retrofit kit came with 2 washers. Little spacers here, so it says to put one on the bottom, and we're gonna see if the top needs it. Probably just snugs it up a little bit. Okay, so we did the washer on the bottom, which it snugged it up a little bit, made it a nice little tight. Before I screw that back down, I'm going to just kind of check the fitment. Seems to be good. So as you can see, super easy to do. If you haven't done this on your fridge, I recommend it so that you don't end up like us with a broken fridge. Luckily, on the RV sites, the fridge door I think was upwards of $300. I found it on Amazon for under $200, I think $170 or something like that. So check and just put in the model number of your fridge and you should be able to find it. I'll have a link to mine. I've got a 𝐦𝐨𝐬 Greyhawk Class C of 2018. But the fridges are pretty universal across the board. The same fridges you'll find in a lot of the RVs. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Really easy to do. The retrofit is very inexpensive. So I recommend doing this to your fridge because luckily we were still able to close our fridge and use it. And it wasn't a problem. But when my one kid opened the door, when it was broken, it's just stuff went everywhere. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit like, hit subscribe. See ya.